Yes, the company had sent me this leaf blower that does not come with a battery. It takes a Milwaukee battery, and I didn't have one. I had a different kind, so I ended up having to buy a Milwaukee batteries, and that's these right here. And I did buy them, and it goes right in there and clicks. Now this thing does come apart just like that right there. It's actually a two-piece that comes apart on it. This right here actually comes off also, but I can give you an idea of how it works. You push the button here and pull the trigger. Now it's a little loud, so you won't hear me. And I'm going to show you just a little bit right here. So it's got quite a bit of power and everything for blowing off leaves. And over here, I just right here, blowing off the concrete. We had a little bit of wind and everything, dust and everything was in here. And so if y'all need a blower, you can look into these. Again, it doesn't come with a battery, and this one comes with a. You have to have a Milwaukee battery for it to work.